In a busy little city, a brand new animal clinic just opened. Inside, there's a very special doctor, Dr. Mew. Every animal that visits always gets better, no matter what. One day, a tiny hedgehog started hiccuping, and wouldn't stop. He rushed to Dr. Mew's clinic, hoping the magical doctor could help. When it was finally his turn, he got so nervous. He hid inside his shirt. Dr. Mew pulled out a giant needle, just to help. But the hedgehog got super scared. He hiccuped and ran as fast as he could. And Dr. Mew chased him all around the room. Then the hedgehog grabbed a fire extinguisher, and sprayed Dr. Mew into a mountain of bubbles. Suddenly, the hiccups stopped. What a surprise! Dr. Mew looked like whipped cream, and the hedgehog laughed and laughed. In the end, they had tea together.